So you've downloaded the Opera browser because you've heard it's got a built-in VPN, but how exactly do we turn on that VPN and how do we use it? So I'm going to show you what you need to do. If you do appreciate a quick tutorial, please do leave a like, subscribe and comment down below. So what you need to do is open up the Opera browser, then go to settings, which is in the corner by the way. Then what you can do is go to advanced, go to privacy and security, then scroll all the way down and you should see a VPN tab. Here you can enable the VPN, and you'll notice that you'll get a VPN icon in the browser here. So click on the VPN icon and you can see that we are connected to the VPN. You can see the speed that the data is being transferred, and you can also see what location we are connected to with a choice of 3 locations or the optimal location for you. So that's all you need to do to turn on the VPN. It's pretty simple. You can also enable or disable this feature here if you want the VPN to bypass search engines. So that's how you can do it, guys. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.